This is a straight to the point, super short tutorial on using OpenMusic AI. First thing you do is open up OpenMusic AI, go to the AI music generator. You want to type in the prompt that you want right here in the prompt area. And I had already created something. It's that simple. Push generate music. It generates two different versions for you. And here is what came out from that. Create a ballroom dance song in 4/4 time for medium pace rumba dance that sings about the beauty of how her beauty moves through the dance. And this is what was created.
You step in silk and flame, the room forgets its name, your shoulder turns the air.
It's that simple. Thank you for joining. If it's your first time, being able to use OpenMusic AI music generator. It's just so simple.